Join us for a remarkable event presented by Sacred Heart Hospital of Malolos and Central Luzon Doctors Hospital. Battle of the Nightingales. 12 participating colleges and universities will compete for the ultimate clash of knowledge. Araulio University, Baliwag University, Bulacan State University, College of Nursing, Centro Escolar University, Malolos Campus Nursing Department, Central Luzon Doctors Hospital, Educational Institution Incorporated, Culumban College, College of Nursing, Good Samaritan Colleges, Guagua National Colleges Incorporated, Holy Angel University, Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology, College of Nursing, System Plus, College Foundation, Tarlac State University. Battle of Nightingales is about to begin. Who will claim the title of the Ultimate Nursing Quiz Champion? August 25, 2023.